Hey there, homeowners! Getting a new dryer is exciting. It means fresh, warm clothes right out of the dryer. But before you toss in that first load, let's make sure it's installed right. This guide will walk you through each step, making it easy and safe. Safety first, always. Before you do anything, unplug the old dryer. Turn off the gas valve if it's a gas dryer. We want this to be a smooth, accident-free installation. Now let's get that new dryer up and running. We'll go over everything, so you can be confident it's installed correctly. Ready? Let's go. Choosing the right spot for your dryer isn't just about convenience. It's a crucial decision that impacts the overall functionality of your laundry room. It's about safety and efficiency too. Proper installation can prevent potential hazards and ensure your dryer works at its best. You need good airflow for ventilation. Without it, your dryer could overheat or even pose a fire risk. You need to be close enough to an electrical outlet. First, think about ventilation. Proper placement can make a big difference. Dryers need to vent outside. This helps to expel hot air and moisture, keeping your home safe and dry. That means having a short, straight path for the vent hose. The fewer the bends, the better the performance. The shorter the distance, the better the airflow. Long vent hoses can reduce efficiency and increase drying time. And trust me, good airflow is crucial. It ensures your dryer runs smoothly and lasts longer. Next, check your electrical needs. Make sure your setup can handle the power requirements of your dryer. Most dryers in the United States use a specific type of outlet. It's important to know what kind you have. Make sure your outlet matches the dryer's plug. This is essential for safe and efficient operation. If not, call a qualified electrician to change it. Safety first, remember? Always prioritize safety in your home. We can't stress enough how important ventilation is for dryers. Why? Because dryers produce heat and moisture. Proper ventilation removes these from your home, preventing problems like mold and fire hazards. The vent hose is the key. It carries the hot, damp air outside. Use a rigid metal vent hose if possible. It's safer and more efficient than the flexible kind. Avoid those flimsy foil hoses. They can be a fire hazard. Keep the vent hose as short and straight as possible. Avoid kinks and bends. They restrict airflow and can cause lint buildup, which is a fire hazard. Remember, safety is our top priority. Section 4, power up, getting the electrical connection right. Now let's talk about electricity. Dryers use a lot of power. That's why it's crucial to have the right electrical connection. It ensures your dryer runs safely and efficiently. First, make sure your outlet matches your dryer's plug. In the US, most dryers use a 4-prong outlet. If your outlet is different, don't try to force it. Call a qualified electrician to install the correct outlet. Once you've confirmed the outlet is correct, carefully plug in your dryer. Don't overload the circuit by plugging in other appliances. Now your dryer is ready to receive power. Section 5. Hook it up, connecting the vent hose and testing. With the location and electrical connection sorted, it's time to hook up the vent hose. This step is essential for the safe and efficient operation of your dryer. This is a crucial step to ensure proper ventilation and prevent any fire hazards. Proper ventilation helps in maintaining the efficiency of your dryer and ensures safety. Start by attaching one end of the vent hose to the dryer's exhaust outlet. Make sure it fits snugly. Use clamps to secure the connection. Tighten them well to avoid any leaks. Then connect the other end of the hose to the vent outlet in your wall or ceiling. This ensures that the hot air is properly expelled outside. Again, use clamps to ensure a tight seal. A secure connection prevents lint buildup and potential fire risks. Now let's test everything. Turn on the dryer and let it run for a few minutes. This will help you verify that everything is working correctly. Go outside and check if you feel hot air coming out of the vent. If you do, congratulations. This means the ventilation system is working perfectly. You've successfully installed your dryer. Enjoy the convenience of your new appliance, knowing it's set up safely and efficiently. Section 6. Keep it running, smooth maintenance and troubleshooting. You've done it. Your dryer is installed and ready to tackle those laundry mountains. Congratulations on a job well done, but remember, proper maintenance is key to keeping it running smoothly for years to come. Regular upkeep ensures your dryer remains efficient and safe. Clean the lint trap after every single use. This simple task can significantly extend the life of your dryer. I know it sounds tedious, but trust me, it makes a difference. A clean lint trap means better performance and lower energy bills. A clogged lint trap reduces efficiency and can even cause fires. Safety first, always. Never underestimate the importance of this step. Check the vent hose regularly for any kinks or blockages. This ensures proper airflow and prevents overheating. Clean it out at least once a year to prevent lint buildup. This helps maintain optimal drying performance and safety. By taking these simple steps, you'll enjoy a safe and efficient dryer for years to come. Regular maintenance is the key to a hassle-free laundry experience.